So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook, a smaller hook than the recommended one in the yarn label. We'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 4. Nine double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 9 double crochet. I'm gonna join to the beginning chain with a slip stitch and tighten the circle. For the next round I'm gonna chain 2 double crochet in every stitch. And the last 2 double crochet in this round. Join with a slip stitch. Next round I'm gonna chain 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the following stitch, and I will alternate 2 double crochet in the following stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one. This is to keep the circle flat till I reach the width required of my beanie. And the last stitch, 1 double crochet and join. So for the rounds and how to increase the double single crochet, check the written pattern if you ever get confused with this tutorial. Chain 2 for the next round, so 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches, two double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So to keep this the circle flat, what we do, in the previous round I did 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In this round, which is round 4, 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. The next round will be 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. I'll keep increasing every round by 1 single double crochet in every round till round 8. Again, check the written pattern, it's detailed with every round. I'll finish the 8 rounds and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. So this is the last stitch of round 8. And I'm gonna place a stitch marker over here in the beginning chain, because now we're gonna work in spiral. So before I go any further, for row 8 what I did is 2 double crochet in one stitch and 6, yeah, 6, 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. That's how you know you are doing the work right. So now I'm not gonna close with a slip stitch. What I'm gonna do is double crochet in the next on top of the next chain, like so, and I'm gonna work in spiral for the next 11 rounds. So for 11 rounds, just 1 double crochet throughout to shape the beanie, and that will be it. Just 1 double crochet in each stitch. So here I'm at the last round, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 2 slip stitch, 1 slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, or even 3, and then fasten off. And the toddler beanie is completed. I'm just gonna hide my thread. So depending how big or small you want the beanie to be, you can control it from the beginning flat circle. So if you want a small size, you can go from 3 rounds, 4 rounds, or 5 rounds of a round circle. If you want a medium to large adult one, you can go up to 10, 13 rounds of flat circle, depending again on the hook you use as well and the yarn you use. But this one is for toddlers. You can find the written pattern linked in the description box with the size, the measurement, the yarn used, and everything you need. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.